How to convert Epub file to a PDF file. What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. In today's this quick video, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily convert your Epub file into a PDF. But before getting started, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right into the video. The very first thing you need to do is head over to your favorite web browser and search for Epub to PDF convert and then hit enter. Now you'll see different online converters here, so I recommend you choose the first one that you see because generally that's the best one for your choice. So you can choose a file from your PC. You can also upload it from your drive if you want. So I'm just going to head over to downloads, choose this file, and now it's processing the file. So it's completely free, you don't have to pay anything, and converting files will make converting files really easier. And as you can see here, it has now been converted into a PDF. So as you can see, this is now .pdf, and you can download it easily from here, and you can find this file on your downloads. And that's pretty much it. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider liking the video and subscribe to the channel. Also hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads. And if you have any comments, feel free to leave them on the comment section below, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.